Come on. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Same as like you all. Sorry. So now kids will sing God's love together. Okay? Let's start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. So high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. All right. चलो. Now kids, what we are going to do? अब हम क्या करेंगे जरा सोचो. Think. Yeah, Mitansh, national anthem. Chalo everyone, stand up for national anthem. Come on. Nitya, you too, beta. Stand up. Okay. Yatendra, you are not in the class. अगर मैं क्लास को कह रही हूँ कि यू शुड स्टैंड तो आपको खड़ा नहीं होना है. स्टैंड अप. ओके. नाउ एवरीवन, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, and hands by your side. Attention. Now no one is going to move. Start. Prableen, straight. Prableen is straight. जन गण मन अधिनायक जया हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. ओके. नाउ एवरीवन, बैठ जाएंगे क्या हम? नो नो, वी हैव टू डू द एक्सरसाइज. आप लोग रोज भूल जाते हो. यस, चलो स्टैंड अप. Laksh and Padmanabh, switch on the camera. So, stretch your arms and clap, 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 clap. Divit, I'm looking at you, Divit. Padmanabh, stand up. Stretch your arms and clap, clap. Fast. Ab jaldi jaldi karo, fast, fast. Now, wiggle your fingers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle it slowly, slowly, slowly. Now fast. Yay! Now, what we have to do? We have to keep both the hands on our waist. Start jumping. Jump, 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 Yeah, very nice. Chalo, come on. David, Ayana, you too. Why I have to take the name? Puneet. Chalo, now you have to move your waist. Come on. Round, round, round. Yeah. Prablin. Very good. Now, everyone, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Again, raise your hands higher. Drishya. Chalo, come on, Drishya. And bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay. Now show your thumbs. Keep it on shoulder. Drishya, what happened to you today? Pay attention and move your hands forward. Forward. आगे की तरफ move करना है. You have to move your hands forward. Now backward. 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 Okay. Now what we have to do at last? Run. Come on, everyone. Run. Run fast. Run fast. Yay. Pihu, Padmini. Run, 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 run. Jaldi. Fast. Well done. Very, very well done, everyone. Very good. Very nice. Now sit down. Sit down, sit down. Very well done. And where are you, Puneet? Puneet? Okay. All right. Now, kiddos, let's talk about the day and the date. So today, what is the day today? Yesterday was Monday. कल Monday था. तो आज कौन सा day होगा? What comes after Monday? Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And the date is 12 October 2021. 12 October 2021. Now tell me, how many days are there in a year? Everyone show your fingers. How many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? 7 days. Show your finger, everyone. Drishya, Lakshya and Pramukh, switch on the camera. Padmini, you too. So there are 7 days in a week. Let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Yes. All right. Now tell me, how many months are there in a year? Yes. How many months are there in a year? So there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. All right. Chalo. Now, let's say it together loudly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, bachcho. Chalo, now we'll do the Hindi work. So come on, get your Hindi copy fast and write down today's date. So today the day is 12 October 2021. As October is the 10th month, so we have written 10 here instead of October. Write down the date. You know how to write down the date? You all know now how to write the date on the copy, on the page of the copy. So you write down, and mothers, you write down the heading then. So, bachcho, you write down the date, and the heading part, mothers, you have to write. So, आज हम एक न्यू अक्षर करेंगे, but before that, what we are going to do? We are going to revise the previous अक्षर. Mothers, kindly make sure that the child says the akshar with me. ठीक है? It's very necessary to learn the sequence and all. चलो, let's start. Ayana, switch on the camera. Why I have to say again and again to everyone that switch on the camera? Laksh, switch on the camera, otherwise I'll remove you from the class. If anyone is having any genuine reason behind switching off the camera, then you let me know. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. Laksh, this is the last time I'm telling. I'm waiting for few more 5 minutes. You switch on the camera. Otherwise, I'll remove you. Chalo. Come on, bacho. Kindly pay attention. Say loudly with ma'am. Ka. Ka say kamal. Then kha. Kha say khargosh. Don't write, Anishka. Keep your pencil aside. When I'm explaining you, when I'm telling you something, you should pay attention here. Then ga. Ga say gamla. Gha से घर. And ana. Ana है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Now, चा से चम्मच. से दिवित, आपका मुझे लिप्स हिलते हुए नहीं दिख रहे हैं. कम उनसे. छ से छाता. ज से जग. Then झ से झंडा. Then निया. निया है खाली, बजाओ ताली. All right. Now next. ट से टमाटर. ठ से ठठेरा. नित्या. ड से डमरू. ढ से ढक्कन. और ण. ण है खाली, बजाओ ताली. Come on, बजाओ ताली. ये. Now, त से तरबूज. थ से थर्मस. द से दवात. ध से धनुष. और ना से नल. Then प से पतंग. फा से फल, फिर फा के बाद ब, बा से बकरी, भा से भालू, और माँ से मछली। नाउ य से यज्ञ, एंड कल हमने क्या पढ़ा था? र से रथ. Okay, so today we are going to learn akshar after ra. Now let's see. So everyone pay attention. Today we are going to learn akshar la. La. Which akshar is this? ये कौन सा अक्षर है? अक्षर la. One standing line, then one curve like this, then one more curve you have to make, and sleeping line at the top. One more curve and slanting line down like this. Akshar la. La se lattu. Lattu. Top we will say in English. Top, top. In English we say top, and in Hindi we say lattu. La se lattu and la se laddu. Okay, so come on, say with ma'am, ये कौन सा अक्षर है? जल्दी बोलो. अक्षर ल. अक्षर ल. ल से लट्टू, ल से लड्डू, ल से लाल, and ल से लक्ष्य, ल से लोकेंद्र in our class, है ना? So how you have to make? You have to make one standing line, then one slant line, then curve and slant line again, then sleeping line at the top. Akshar la. Come on. One standing line, one slant, one means आपको slanting line बनानी है but little curvy, ठीक है? Then you have to make curve and slant line till the blue line and sleeping line at the top. Akshar la. You have to make one standing line, slanting line, then make a curve and slanting line again till lower blue line and sleeping line at the top. La. La से लट्टू, la से लड्डू. अक्षर ल. कौन सा अक्षर है ये बच्चों? विच अक्षर इज दिस? अक्षर ल. अक्षर ल. One standing line, slanting line, curve and slanting line again till blue line and sleeping line at the top. Akshar la.